way, sir. Allow me to assist you, sir. Yes, may I know your name, ma'am?
I'm Miss Benji Bizarro.
I'll just check your reservation. This way, please.
Lagi ba? Ma'am, excuse po.
Kaya yun.
Enjoy po.
Saan ba yun? Di ba saan?
Good morning, sir. I am Sam. I will be taking your order for today. This is our menu. Excuse me, sir. I will be back after 3 to 5 minutes to get your order.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. May I now take your order?
Yes, my order is smoked salmon, Caesar salad, and 4 season 4 beans.
Would you like to try our best seller for dessert? It is gummy.
No thanks.
So I will now repeat your order. It is smoked salmon, Caesar salad, and 4 season 4 beans, correct?
Yes.
Did I get your order right?
Yes.
For this, sir, this will be delivered for 10 to 15 minutes. Is that alright?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. Do you need anything else? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I set a table for you?
Kasi, meron muna akong kasama sa
Excuse me, ma'am. May I unfold the napkin for you?
Ganda ba akong
Absent.
Tama.
Hindi ka na kayo.
Here's your Caesar salad, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, may I clear your table?
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present your bill?
Yes, sure.
There is 7,000 pesos. I'll be back for your change. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your change. Thank you for dining with us. We're looking forward for your next visit. Have a nice day.